Everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is 4th of February 2024. Now I'm going to be going over the results of the Tesla front testing strategy based on option chain analysis, which was the video on the 28th of January. So if you want reference as to where I'm getting these from, please go watch this video, and the date of the video will always be here, or the prediction, and this is for the week ending the 2nd of February, and the prediction was that Tesla goes up. So the week opened at 185.63 and ended at 187.91, which is clearly showing that it did go up. Our weekly P&L was 2.28, minor, but the prediction still went right, and in percentages this is a 1.23%. Now this brings our cumulative P&L to 28.59%, and Tesla's weekly change in percent was 2.54%, bringing your alpha slightly down to 56.61%. So this is the performance of Tesla in week 6, but that's all for now. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.